balanced diet. Like you think like Bedouin,
Yeah.
they eat sheep and goat. What else is there to eat?
Yeah, yeah. Jeez. So now we got a boat hop to get to ours.
My teacher's daughter,
Yeah.
her favourite dish is a sheep's head. Favourite. Eats the tongue, the eyes, the brain, the testes.
And she's 12.
She's 12 years old.
Is that in Australia or in Jordan?
She's half.
Wow.
Australia, we'll kill our own sheep and we'll serve her the head sort of thing.
And
She
she's
goes
just so
nuts.
happy.
She goes nuts.
Wow.
And it's like the grossest looking thing.
But it's all cooked, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Ugh.
And they cook it on a fire. So it's got like the tongue hanging out.
Oh,
the side. It's like,
I guess she eats the tongue too, right?
Yeah,
That's like the delicacy. Yeah. The cheeks are usually the delicacy of, yeah. Wow. No.
So I think that because it's an education centre, so people come from all over the place. So they're like, when they see this 12-year-old ripping into the sheep's head, they're like,
Yeah, what are you guys doing? Are you a farm or are you a cult? Well, I remember watching something on the Discovery Channel years ago, and they had people of different cultures with some cultural food that they think is amazing, but other is famous for being disgusting. Like in Japan, it's natto. Taiwan has their stinky tofu, that kind of thing. And it's just because people are raised with it. They're used to it. But other cultures will look at some of these cheeses and stuff and just about cute. If I saw a kid eating a cheese, I wouldn't even have to eat the lamb's head, the sheep's head. If I saw a kid eating that, I think I would be just about ready to throw up. I'd be done for meals for the rest of the week.
I hadn't eaten meat because I decided to go veggie at 2 years old.
Wow.
So I hadn't eaten meat since I was 2 until about 2 years ago.
Holy hell.
And so for me, organ meat, flesh meat, doesn't matter. It's all the same for me.
Wow, okay.
It's all a bit like...
Is that because at 2 you just liked animals and said, I don't want to eat animals?
That was, yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool. You're very advanced for your age at 2. 2, I was just eating corn.
It's a very privileged position to be able to say,
Yeah.
I don't want to eat that.
Well, actually, that's a great point as well. That says a lot about the culture you're in.
Yeah. I was like brought up by hippie parents who ate meat, so it was a strange decision for a 2-year-old to make.
Yeah.
But
your parents would have respected it because
very much respected.
he encountered, well, hippie doesn't necessarily mean counterculture, but certainly more flexible in the way they think about how life should be.
I think that's what's been so alright with them about me marrying an Arab girl as well. Like I've converted to Islam, so they've been like, you know, I guess the most accepting that a Western family could be about that sort of thing. And then marrying a girl wearing a hijab, that's been a big learning for them as well. But yeah, when I moved to the farm, I realised that the idea of... I knew before, because there's lots of indigenous cultures that they kill and eat meat because what else is there to do? And to learn, I think from an Islamic perspective was the big one for me. Just realising the relationship with the animal and how beautiful it was. Because there's lots of, I think, our relationship with meat's really gross.
Hope you enjoyed it.
I did. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Thank you. We'll see you later.
So, at lunchtime, I will let you know what time we're going to meet in Luxor.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there food now or no?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to go drop my stuff off and then...
Go and do your stuff and go straight to the restaurant.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for today.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Loved it. Yeah. All right. So let's go back. So this is what I think the cabins upstairs are probably a little better. All right. Yeah, I'm a bit filthy. Sorry. So the one thing about these tours that you don't realize when you book is this. Oh, okay, there. I guess we're moving now. But that that boat that's right over there, when you're parked at night, so you land. I started in Aswan, so you get your first night you're on this boat, so you got another boat right here, so you got to keep your curtains closed every night, really, because you're always parked. But when you're traveling, it's beautiful. Yesterday was fantastic. Anyway, I've talked enough. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.